I quit smoking cold turkey. I feel pressure in my chest, I'm having trouble breathing, and I have acid indigestion. I also have a sore mouth and throat, and my sinuses are stuffed up and my ears hurt.
Your tests are normal. You're just having an anxiety attack. I'll prescribe some medications that you can pick up at the pharmacy.
Normal? Oh, no, I'm not normal. I quit smoking cold turkey a month ago. People said quitting smoking was healthy. Yeah, right. I can't sleep, I've gained weight, I get muddle-headed and I have hot flashes and my joints and muscles are sore.
The test shows that nothing is wrong with you. Maybe you are starting menopause?
I am so grateful that I found Nicotine Solutions program that helped me change my routines and behaviors, and I was able to smoke while I was learning how to quit. Since going through Nicotine Solutions program, I have lost 40 pounds, and I take vacations with the money I saved from quitting smoking.